Assume the following data set can be modeled by a sinusoidal function. Estimate the value for the midline of the model rounded to the nearest integer. All right, what I have to do is I have to run to a calculator, throw that in, do Sine Reg, and use that information to find the midline formula to the nearest integer if I have to do that. I really don't even need, never mind, I'm going to do it anyway. Just watch the video. All right, sinusoidal regression. Let's go to Calc. Let's go to Edit. Let's go to Stat and let's go to Edit. Let's type in these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we have 7.7. We have, I always feel bad for people who are, just fast forward like 30 seconds and you'll probably be fine, unless you want to hear me say numbers out loud and hear typing sounds. Or just fast forward 30 seconds. Actually don't, because I don't know if that has anything to do with my YouTube money. Hopefully I'm doing this right, because I'm talking and typing at the same time. Okay. I guess we'll see. All right, those are our values. Now, before we move on, if we're doing sinusoidal regression, we need to know our period, which is between 1 and 7, so our period is 6. Go to Stat, go to Calc. Will I need this equation later? I don't think I will, because I just need the midline, so I really don't. I just need to see what the equation is. So I'm going to go all the way down to C for Sine Regression. Don't worry about the iterations part. The period was 6, as we said before, and I don't need to store this, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to hit Calculate. Now, there's my equation. It's gross, okay? We'll write this whole thing out, but the key thing here is that 32. So we'll explain what that 32 means in a second. All right, thanks for sticking around, those of you who decided that you were going to put up with that. The equation that we came up with wasn't pretty. Y equals 30.010 sine 1.047x minus 1.991, close it, plus 32. Now, I didn't spend a whole lot of time going over this because I didn't really have to. In this case, what I care about is the value for the midline of the model. The midline happens right here at your vertical shift. So the equation for the midline is y equals 32. So not a whole lot of estimating. I mean, there it is right there in its beautiful, beautiful, beautiful form.